children, how are you? I'm great, thank you. Today we are learning alphabets in German. Yeah, are you excited? Yeah, we are meeting first time. Okay, so hello, my name is Prajakta. Okay, can you see this on screen? Yeah, okay. Now, in German, alphabet's called alphabet. Okay, das Alphabet. Repeat after me. Das Alphabet. Good. Okay. Now we are learning first alphabet in German. Okay. A. A. Okay. Just remember, in bracket, I have written the pronunciation. Okay. So don't get confused. Okay. The A letter pronounces A in German. A. B. B. Once again. A. B. A. B. Good. Do you know the next letter? What comes after B? C. In German, we say say. Say. The next letter? Day. Day. Okay. From A to D, we are doing a pronunciation. Okay. A. B. Say. Day. Good. Good. Okay. The next letter. Which letter is this? In German, we say A. A. Okay. Don't be confused. The letter E in English, okay, the English letter E is pronounced as A in German. Exactly the English letter A. Okay. So E in German, we say A. A. The next letter F. Just like in English. F. Repeat after me once again. A. F. A. F. Good. Now the next letter. Which letter is this? G. In German, we say G. G. Good. You are doing very well. Okay. And the next letter, in German, we say H. H. Once again. G. H. G. H. Good. Do you remember the letter A in German? The first letter, A. Do you remember B in German? B. C in German, say. D in German, day. E in German, A. F in German, F. G in German, G. And H in German, ha. Good. The next letter, we say E. Okay. I know it's a bit confusing, but the letter I, the English letter I, in German pronounces the English letter A. Okay. A. Okay. The pronunciation is E. E. The next letter, yacht. Yacht. Ka. Ka. Just like in English pronunciation. L. L. Once again. Ka. L. Ka. L. Good. Now we are doing the next letter. Which letter is this? In English we say M. In German we also say M. M. The next letter, N. N. Good. Just like in English. The pronunciation for M is M in German. M. N. N. The next letter, O. O. In German, we say O. The next letter, P. In German, we say P. P. Good. The next letter, Q. Q. R. R. Do you remember the letter P in German? Yeah, it's P. Good. The next letter, S. S. Tay. Tay. Once again. S. Tay. S. Tay. Good. Oo. Oo. Pau. Pau. Okay. The pronunciation for V in German is Pau. Pau. Once again, how do we say V in German? Pau. And how do you say U in German? U. Good. The next letter, W. In German, we say Way. Way. X. X. Way. X. Good. The next letter is Epsilon. Epsilon. And the last letter, Set. Set. Good. Now you know the alphabets in German from A to Z. Okay. Good. Now there is one twist. Okay. In German, we have extra 4 alphabets. Yeah. You hear it right. In German, we have extra 4 alphabets. Now we are learning these alphabets. Are you excited? Yeah. Okay. So these 2 dots called in German umlaut. Yeah. And these 2 dots, these umlauts in German, we only use in 3 letters, which is A, O, and U. Now we are learning the first umlaut. Okay, first umlaut letter, which is A umlaut. Do you remember how do we say the letter, English letter A in German? Remember? We always say A. Okay, so A umlaut, the pronunciation for A umlaut is A. A. Yeah, just in high pitch level. Okay. A. Good. The second letter is O umlaut. Okay. O umlaut. The pronunciation for O umlaut is E. E. Repeat after me. E. Noch einmal. Once again. A. E. A. E. E. And the last alphabet. Okay, the next alphabet for umlaut is U umlaut, and the pronunciation for U umlaut is U. U. Good. And the last alphabet in German is S set. S set. Okay. Do you remember how do we say O umlaut in German? O umlaut in German? Ö. Ö. A umlaut in German? A. A. U umlaut in German? Ü. Ü. And the last letter is S set. S set. Okay. Now we are doing the pronunciation from A to S set in German. Okay. So slowly, slowly. Okay. Repeat after me. Okay. Einen Moment bitte. 1 minute, please. Yeah. Okay. Can you see this on screen? Okay. Good. So now we are doing the pronunciation from A to Z again. Okay. Do you remember this letter? We say A, A, B, B. Do you remember this letter? We say say, say, day, day, A, A, F, F, G, G, H, H, E, E, yacht, yacht. Good, you are doing very well. K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N. Do you remember this letter? O, O, P, P, Q, Q. This letter? R, R, S, S, T, Tay, tay. Oo, oo. Do you remember this letter? Pau, pau. Way, way. X, X. Epsilon, epsilon. Set, set. Umlaut, A, A. O umlaut, Ö, Ö. O umlaut, Ü, Ü. And the last letter in German, S set, S set. Good. Now you know the alphabets in German from A to Z. Okay. Now we are playing one chota sa game. Okay. Can you see this on screen? Can you see whiteboard on the screen? Okay. Now I'm writing a letter and you have to guess how do we say this letter in German. Okay. Your first letter is, this is A. A. Do you remember this letter? B. B. And the last letter is, how do we say this letter in German? It's say. Say. Good. Now you know the alphabets in German. Okay. Thank you. We are winding up here. We will meet in next session. Okay. Thank you. Bye.